Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. This is Sulaiman. Today we are going to explore the beginner's checklist for importing and exporting goods in international business. So let's start. Here are 7 points to be considered. Number 1, research and market analysis. Number 2, identify suppliers and buyers. Number 3, documentations and legal requirements. Number 4, logistic and transportation. Number 5, quality control and inspection. Number 6, payments and financing. And number 7, risk management. So let's begin with the first point, research and market analysis. First, do your research and market analysis. Understand the demand for your goods and competition for that in the market. Research regulations and tariffs for importing and exporting. Through research, help you find opportunities and risks, so you can make smart decisions. Number 2, identify suppliers and buyers. Next, find suppliers and buyers. Build relationship with reliable suppliers who offer good quality at reasonable prices. Look for buyers in the same way who are interested in your goods, who can pay for them. Strong relationships with suppliers and buyers are crucial for successful trading in international business. Number 3, documentation and legal requirements. Now let's talk about documentation and legal requirements. You will need to follow various regulations like getting export license, certificate of origin, and follow some rules and regulations about exporting and importing in the countries, so avoid delays and penalties. Number 4, logistic and transportation. Consider logistics and transportations. Plan how your goods will move from the suppliers to the buyers, including storages and handling. Work with logistics provides our freight forwarders to ensure safe and efficient transport. Good planning ensures your goods arrive on time and in a good condition. Number 5, quality control and inspection. Quality control and inspection are essential, so check your goods before shipping to meet quality standards. This includes testing your products, checking for defects, and verifying accuracy. Maintaining high quality prevents issues and ensures customer satisfaction. Number 6, payment and financing. Next, think about payments and financing. Decide how to pay for your goods and receive payment from buyers. Use methods like letter of credit or bank transfers for protection. Explore financing options like trade finance or export credit insurances to cover costs and avoid financial risks. And number 7, risk management. Finally, manage risks in international trade. Identify risks like currency changes, political issues, or supply chain disruptions. Develop strategies to reduce these risks and protect your business. Being prepared helps you handle challenges and succeed in trade market. So that's it, a beginner's checklist for importing and exporting goods. Follow these steps to navigate the complexities of international trade with confidence. Remember, patience and persistence are key, so stay focused and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos related to international trade. I will try my best to deliver good topics to you. Stay blessed and bye bye.